Yo, let's hear the dump. Hear the dump. Hear the switch.
All right, this is off, guys.
This is off. Oh, you got dumps?
So yeah, so I can run it. Dumps
Both. Do both. Yeah.
and dumps open.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Supplies last.
What kind of exhaust on there?
I got electric cutouts on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
With stock exhaust with it?
Stock exhaust with it, yeah.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Nice,
Fuck,
bro.
man.
Damn. What kind of exhaust you got, bro?
Catback, flowmaster exhaust all the way back.
Flowmaster?
Yeah, but then I got the switch. I can go right full. I can go right straight from the engine down,
Yeah,
or then I can
yeah.
put the switch on, then I make go with my exhaust.
Fuck, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Never saw one. That was awesome, man.
Thanks, man.
What kind of exhaust on there?
I got electric cutouts on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
With stock exhaust with it?
Stock exhaust with it, yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
They're hurting Mustang owners' feelings all day.
It's your boy.
Right?
My man. Oh, that's way better. Wow. Do you notice, is it quicker with the dump?
It likes it better with the dumps open.
Yeah.
What happened was is when Tony did all the work,
Yeah.
I couldn't keep them closed.
Oh, yeah.
So when I trained the ECM after the cam,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
it now prefers anything over 20 to 26 degree weather
Yeah.
and the dumps open.
Oh, this is cam too?
What? So what's funny is, remember when we saw dry clean?
Yeah.
You know how your engine light has to be off.
Yeah.
If I close the dumps, the engine light comes on.
Wow.
Because it trained it with the dumps open.
Yeah.
So it wants to have the dumps open to have the proper fuel mixture. As soon as I close the dumps, it's like, I'm starving.